HTZ safe. For everything that's in the box, I have the USB, I have the screws, I have the little pieces that go in the back of the sensor that goes outside, the sensor that goes inside, and of course the sensor that goes outside. The button in the back is where you press to connect the two. Alrighty, so we're going to start with preparing our outside sensor. I'm going to put these two together with the little screws that comes in the box. By the way, the step is super easy. The normal screwdriver, ready to go. And this is how they stay together. Alright, so for my environment, I either had a tree or a mailbox post, and I chose the mailbox post. And again, the two bigger screws, this is what you use it for, so the outside sensor can be connected easily. You can just stick right in there. Make sure the sensor is pointing to the engine of the car, like the standard, right? All you need to do with the receiver is just plug it into the wall, pick the sound that you want to hear, and also pick the volume. Connect the two, and that's it. Let's try it out. It works amazingly.